Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that is by the brand Adidas. And pretty much what it is a Trefoil Hoodie. So first thing first, let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. So this is basically what the hoodie looks like. As you can see, very nice kind of Adidas logo right there. These are actually super comfortable. So let me actually put this on and show you guys what it actually looks like first. So basically when you guys put it on, this is basically what it looks like. As you can see, they have the little hoodie right there, but when you guys have this hoodie on, it feels super comfortable and everything. Like, it's perfect if you guys want to use this to go to sleep or just in general outdoors. Like, this itself is just like a really nice shirt or a hoodie to wear for any occasions. So if you look in the inside right here, basically like the pocket area is like that. If you guys can see, the material is a lot different than the material that's on the jacket itself. So for this hoodie, it's not like a loose fit or tight fit. It's actually in between. It's the regular fit. So you guys definitely get that really comfy feeling when you guys wear this, where it's not too loose or too tight. It just feels just right to the point where you guys can use this for basically any occasions. And in terms of the material that's used to make this product itself, it's made out of 100% cotton, but the type of cotton that they use is called French terry. So now that we did the unboxing and testing to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys put it on, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that these are actually really worth it if you guys want one and need one, obviously. But in terms of the price, I would have to say that it is a little bit pricey. Like, you're paying $60 for one of these, but I got super lucky with this one because I paid like half of the price, and on top of that I got another sale. So I think when I bought this one, they had a sale of like $33 instead of like $65. And I believe on top of that, I got like another 30 or 40% off, which is pretty amazing because I paid like around like $25 for one of these instead of like $65 with tax not included. And probably the best time to buy these hoodies is around like Cyber Monday or like Black Friday or around Christmas time shopping, because they have a lot of good sales. And then during like the middle of the year or at the beginning of the year, they don't have as much good sales. So definitely invest in one of these if you guys want one around like the end of like the year. So then that way you can save your money and buy like a really amazing product that you can use daily or all year round. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys need one or want one. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one, then don't buy it and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback for the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that'll be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have